videos today, shit. Anyway, this time I got some fridges. I got one, I got two, I got three, four, and five, and six. We about to do it the way, y'all. What we got here is the two drawers. So there's a reservoir. And the roots can still get into it, but not all the dirt. Okay, you got the point. One plant's going there, one plant's going there. It's gonna be the same plant. Same way with this one. One plant's going there, one's going there. But I got this cool ass rack. My stepson dug it out of the dumpster at a job site. That's what it's called. But they also use it for, oh, there's a wolf spider. Another little partner in crime there. Looking for something to eat. Hey, where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Back to the situation. And what I'm doing is the only thing that keeps the damn Jap grass from growing through. So that's what I'm using. The plywood works too, but ain't nobody gonna spend money on plywood. And I got it for free. I got 25 or 30 sheets for free. They wasn't good for nothing but what I used them for, so you see, bam. So now what I'm gonna do, my concoction I got over there, 15 yards of topsoil, 15 yards of the mulch stuff that I got for free, and about 500 pounds of horse manure. So all that's going to concoct into this. And then my little additives that I've been talking about throughout the other videos, we're going to get all mixed in with it too. Because I have Goliath right there, so after I get all that in, I probably won't be able to put a plant in today, but I'll get it started. And I'll put his bone meal, blood and bone meal, into these reservoirs. So they'll be sitting there cooking before I put the dirt in. So that way when it rains, that's going to help absorb it and add to it. So by the time they reach it, they're going to be big enough to handle it. So I'll show you when I'm done, but that's it for right now. If I had smell vision, you guys wouldn't be able to stomach this. This is some rough shit. It's my personal concoction of animal matter, carcass actually, and another 2 gallons of something else of liquid mixed together. This is what it looks like. Talk about a putrid smell. My wife's gonna be pissed. The neighbor's gonna be mad too. It's 4th of July. So everybody's gonna be pissed off. They'll get over it. Now I'm gonna cover it with the dirt, with the mixture of the topsoil and all the other junk. Yeah, I got some of it floating around, this and that. Hey, keep eating it for free.